Hey, what's up guys? JP here. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today is a very special day. Today is August the 19th and today is my wedding anniversary with my wife. Well, obviously with my wife it's a wedding anniversary. We've been married 29 years today. You know, and she's very special. I love her. She's giving me two beautiful children. And today I am going to be doing a cookout and I am going to be doing what we call anniversary chicken. Don't get me wrong, I'm not cheap. We're going out to eat tonight, but I still gotta feed the kids. But anyway, let me show you how we get this anniversary chicken made up. You guys stay tuned. Okay, it's time to get this chicken seasoned up. Let me show you what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using two of our blends. We're gonna put a base layer of our J.P.BBQ all-purpose seasoning, and we are gonna be rocking it with our J.P.Licious barbecue rub. Let's go ahead and get this thing seasoned up. So we'll start off first putting a small base layer of this salt, pepper, garlic J.P.BBQ blend. And we're doing drumsticks today. My kids like chicken, and I like chicken too, you know, but seeing that it's our anniversary, kids get chicken, and mom and daddy are gonna get steak tonight. Flip these bad boys over. That way we get an even coat. I'm gonna tell you what, this J.P.BBQ blend of mine, it like amplifies the flavor. Man, it is a great smelling, great tasting all-purpose seasoning. Next thing we're gonna use is our J.P.Licious. Oh yes sir. Look at that color. These chicken drumsticks are gonna come out fantastic. And I'm a barbecue guy, so we're gonna get these chicken legs in the refrigerator and we're gonna get this Weber Performer fired up, guys, and see how these chicken legs turn out. You guys stay tuned. We're gonna be using our Weber Vortex accessory with our Weber Performer, and I'm not even sure if Weber makes this Vortex. There may be another company that makes them. But besides, guys, if you have a Weber kettle, a Weber grill, a Weber Performer, and you do not have this Vortex, you're missing out, okay? And if you're looking to see where to get it, look down in the description. I have a list of all the accessories, all the cooking equipment that I use is listed below. If you click on one of them, it'll take you to my Amazon affiliate store. And if you buy through there, I would appreciate it because it doesn't give me a lot of revenue, but a little bit helps every time, helps support this channel. Let's go ahead and get started. We are gonna be using these Weber cubes. These things are outstanding. With the Weber Vortex, not Weber Vortex, there I go again. With the Vortex accessory, with the Weber Performer, fired these up and they were outstanding. And this is how easy it is. Little cube like this. Just pop that bad boy down in there somewhere. And make a little hole here for our other little friend and fire it up. We're gonna let these coals get nice and hot. We'll be right back in just a second once this thing is ablazing. Check it out. Well, it did not take these charcoals long to get lit up. Look at that. That fire, I wanna say that fire is probably, it's this high. That Vortex, what it does, it concentrates the heat into one single point. It hits the dome and then it comes back around onto your food and it's just circulating, kind of like a convection type oven, just circulating. So you get an even cook all the way around. It did not take long for this to get like this. I want to say I waited maybe 10 minutes. So, but before we get the chicken put on there, I want to get my grate oiled up. I'm going to be using some canola oil. Canola oil has a higher burn rate, so it has to get to a higher temperature in order for it to burn. If you use like extra virgin olive oil, that's got a lower burn rate, a lower temperature I should say, and it'll burn a lot faster. But let's get this thing oiled up. We're gonna get our chicken put on there and let me show you how we do it. Definitely do not want my chicken to stick. So a little bit of oil, helps out with that. Let me go ahead and get this covered back up. Let these flames die out. It's time to break that chicken out, get it set up. Just wanted to show you guys this. The temperature probe on the Weber Performer here is slightly over 500 degrees. My thermal probe, I got a little probe in there, is roughly 387, 390. So that's 100 degree, roughly 100 degree difference. And the reason this one is so hot, again, that Weber Vortex is just pushing that heat up, and it's coming around the dome, and it's getting very hot. Just thought that was interesting. Just wanted to show you guys that. Time to get this chicken on here. That charcoal has really concentrated, and it ain't gonna take long for these chickens to get done, these chicken drumsticks. And we're just gonna place some right here on the outskirts. There we go, we got the chicken put in place. We're gonna be using some apple chunks of wood. I like apple, apple goes good with all kinds of flavor. And we're gonna cover it up. Maybe in about 30 minutes, this chicken will be ready. Time to check this chicken out. See what kind of temperature we got on them. Oh my goodness, woo, man, look at my glasses, got all fogged up. Let's get an internal temp on them, see what they're reading. 146, 148, 150, 151. We're gonna get these doused up with some barbecue sauce and get them back on the grill for maybe another 10, 15 minutes. And let me show you how we do this. There's a barbecue sauce that I'm going to be coming out with pretty soon, and it is J.P.Licious. So we're going to get these bad boys put back on here, sprinkle a little bit more J.P.Licious rub on it, and we got this J.P.Licious sauce. It's going to be fantastic. This chicken is done, guys. Time to give it a taste test and see what it's all about. It came out absolutely beautiful. I mean, a really nice color for this chicken, using our J.P.Licious rub, and putting a base layer of this JPAP all-purpose seasoning. Time to give it a taste test and see what it's all about. Still a little bit hot. I'm gonna cut into it. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo-wee. A little bit too hot. You're burning my fingers. Let's give it a taste test. Man. JPAP, the J.P.Licious, and our barbecue sauce on it. Fantastic. Nothing better than having a barbecue chicken on your anniversary morning and feeding the family and having a wonderful time doing this. Again, guys, I appreciate you guys very much watching my channel. I know there's a lot of barbecue channels out there and it's hard to compete, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that are subscribed. And if you're not subscribed and you're just a viewer, I thank you as well. And I would appreciate it if you would take it into consideration. Hit that subscribe button there over there on the side, and give it a thumbs up, and feel free to share this video with your friends. But besides that, guys, we're out. Have a wonderful day, and take care. Bye-bye.